Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, today I have come up with a very nice and interesting product, and I think it is one of the new and latest product, and I guess you must have not heard about it. Whenever it comes about gel, using gel, then we always rush towards the aloe vera gel, and mostly in the shops also we usually find aloe vera gel. We just go pick the product and start using it. But today I have brought for you very interesting and very nice gel to pamper your skin, to heal your skin, to protect your skin during whole of the winter season, and you will definitely like this product and its results. And I am using it from last week, and guys, believe me, I get awesome result from this product. So not making you much waited, let me introduce you with that product is from Good Vibes brand, and it is orange gel. Yes guys, it is orange gel. Thinking and listening about the name, just come to the mind how much refreshing and how much cooling and how much soothing this product must be. And yes, it is. I must say, you, if you will use this product, then you will definitely fall in love with it. You get mad about this product. It is going to give you amazing results, awesome results, and it will turn your skin like a magic. This orange gel is paraben free, sulfate free, and it has been tested for all the cruelties. It is a dermatologically tested product, and it is totally safe for the skin use. And whatever skin type you have, if you have oily skin or dry skin, or you are having with normal skin, it will gel with your skin, it will go with your skin, and it will not give you any bad effect on your skin. You can use it anytime in any weather, but if you are going to use it during this winter season, then it will also heal the problem of dryness and flakiness and scaly skin, which we usually experience during whole of the winter season. So guys, as this orange gel is powered with the goodness and enriched with the properties of orange, so it is enriched with vitamin C, which will give you brightening and lightening effect to your skin. And as you keep using it, then your skin will definitely show a lightening effect, and your skin tone will get fairer and fairer up to few tones. And it will also having an antioxidant properties, so it can protect your skin from bacterial and other type of infections which usually occur when we come in contact with the pollution and outside atmosphere. So guys, this product is really worthful, and you should use it. Replace your gel and with this orange gel, Good Vibes orange gel, and it will not going to disappoint you anyhow. Believe me, I can bet for this that this orange gel from Good Vibes will definitely impress you, and it will fulfill all your expectations from one product what you expect. This Good Vibes orange gel comes with a protective cap, and it's a good thing. It is feeling like I'm smelling a basket of oranges are here in front of me, and I'm smelling those fresh oranges, and it is very refreshing. So guys, the link of this product I have shared in my video description, and the link of Purple website I have shared that also, so you can check in and see the description and visit the website, get this product, as you find your favorite product on Purple website on huge discount. Beside this product, other products are also there on heavy discount, so you can get it and avail it. And guys, as it is festive season, so many offers and so many discounts and so other things are there on Purple website. So I suggest you should once visit the website and grab all those nice offers and get your favorite products